So we just went through customs in Hong Kong but we're flying to South Africa in like 4 hours because Christian is meeting up with a friend and ex-producer who lives in Hong Kong now. So he's gonna have coffee, maybe we're gonna have coffee, I don't know. We'll do the coffee thing for an hour and then we'll head on back to the good old ZAF Hong Kong airport. Wow, what do you think, Caden?
I think it's pretty beautiful, but we discussed this already.
All airports in the world look the same. That is my conclusion.
It's a truth. A universal truth.
So we just got some foodies.
Some foodie balloonies.
Christian is over behind those people, chatting with his ex-producer.
Me completely from the video.
Kaylin is very needy for some reason. We are having very hot. It's a pulled pork wrap. Anyway,
It's really good. It's really nice. I haven't even tasted the pork yet.
it's really good. But I just turned on the Wi-Fi here in Hong Kong, and they do allow WhatsApp in Hong Kong, not in China. So I literally just got flooded with like more than 1,000 WhatsApps.
WhatsApp, thank you to everybody that knows me. Thank you for messaging me on WhatsApp. Your love was appreciated.
Really appreciates your loves.
For 2 weeks I got no WhatsApps. Thank you very much.
So yes, catching up on some emails. I'm gonna go to see if I can find a camera to buy because it's cheap here. We're not gonna watch a movie. Kaylin wants to watch a movie. Kaylin, what movie do you want to watch?
Ready Player One awake.
You might remember that we watched Ready Player One on like the first night in a Beijing cinema. He wants to watch it again, but stay awake.
Yeah, and there is an IMAX at this airport. An IMAX cinema at an airport.
At the airport.
Tambo, we have a view deck.
That's what we're doing now while Christian is... Oh wait, now I can show you. He's over there. Literally as I point, people walk in front of him. Anyways, that's him. No, that's him. That's his old producer. And no, that's her boyfriend. Sorry for the wrap in the shot. I'm a little scared because we fly in 3 hours. So we have to get back into the airport. Well, back through security and all that junk.
It's gonna be so quick.
Yeah, we're still in the airport, but we have to go through security again. Hopefully they're not as heavy in Hong Kong as in Chongqing. Guy was really rough. Anyway.
Do you need from a different angle to continue the hug?
We can take a picture and send it to Shana.
Oh, sure. Okay. Hello, I'm in the background. By accident.
Get out of the background!
Why not? 3, 2, 1. Yay.
Oi to the Bane.
Wait, babushka.
Take like a photo.
Right, so I am through. They are almost through. Back there. And yeah, welcome to the other side of Hong Kong again. We were literally there. No, we weren't. Whoa. It's a Christian.
Christian, what?
What?
Dude, your phone makes me look so much better than I do in real life.
It's not true. You're a very handsome man.
First of all, stop complimenting me. Second of all, stop lying to yourself. Third of all, the phone does make me look really good.
It's a very good phone. Like Samsung Galaxy S8. Like I heard the S9 is like amazing, but S8's pretty good.
Pretty good.
There's a Kaylin.
I need a poo. I need a poo.
This does not surprise me.
Remember I said I wanted magnets?
Hello guys, I got a haircut in China.
We know this. We did this already. This is a segment that has already happened. So yeah, we're trying to find some Suvos.
Found magnets.
Suvos. Oh, there's no name on that store.
Found magnets.
Christian found magnets. That's literally the only thing we want. Yay. Okay, magnets. What is your magneta?
These t-shirts.
It's Shangmao.
Shangmao.
Hong Kong t-shirts.
Hong Kong t-shirts. Buy 2, get 1 free.
Let's buy
Buy
one.
3, get 1 free.
What?
Or buy 5, get 2 free.
What?
No one ever speaks to me.
Malala Baguru. Have you ever shot with a cinematographer named Cody Pack?
Okay, so I just went to one camera store. It was a failure. Camera is a no-go for now. Going to camera store number 2. Can't find it. Let's go heavy on the souvenirs, guys. heavy on the souvenirs to help my... We are going down. You know what? Escalators in Hong Kong tell you to hold the handrail. And I really don't want to. Why are you telling me how to live my life?
What?
Why is the escalator lady telling me how to live my life?
She knows better.
It's probably true. We're going on the train. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Next station, Phoenix.
This is us. Oh, the hot springs. That was beautiful, Arman. I hope you got it.
So
Where's Christian?
Christian is over there. Now where am I? Okay.
Okay.
So our journey is over. The documentary has been shot. We're playing now.
You don't know my life.
These guys are
You don't see me in front.
Stop interrupting my sentences. We've been. I don't know what I was saying. We're going on a 13-hour flight now, which is exactly the drive time to Cape Town. So that's a long flight.
So start driving now.
So start driving now.
Seeing
We'll see you back in the Joe of the Berg.
the burger job.
Also, I did not get the camera. We went to 3 shops. Not a single one had it, so.
Yeah, because 3 is a lot.
Trying to like do a thumbs down behind.
It's literally every single camera shop in this airport.
In this airport. We were in an entire province.
And in the city. And in the city they didn't have. In, not in Hong Kong, in Chongqing.
No, in one
And,
mall. In one mall.
In one mall, in one camera shop.
In one part of the city.
whatever guys, I
They
don't
didn't have the
care.
camera that's only releasing
On the
today.
one street.
Whatever guys, it's releasing today in South Africa. I thought they'd have it here because it's made here.
Yeah,
Whatever.
that's not how life works anymore.
Exactly, life is a lie. That's my Christian.
Area now.
Are you guys ready?
So sad. So sad.
How about when you get to Johannesburg, they have the wild, right? But then they also have white people with guns. Where's this voice coming from? Anyway, so yeah, we're back. We
in
are
South Africa.
getting our bags because we're back.
Yep.
And
We wish we could say we were a little bit more enthusiastic,
excited.
but we really miss China.
yeah, China's amazing. You really should go. It's really great.
They're not paying.
Communism's
They're not
amazing.
paying.
That word. Yeah.
Communism?
So anyway, it was really great. I hope you guys liked the thing. Yes. So Christian and Kaylin are with their families. They left. I am boarding another plane to Bloemfontein to see my family for the long weekend. And then, yeah, I guess this is where the journey ends properly. So, bye bye.